Morning everybody, it's Davey here. Welcome to another video, and today we're going off on a little adventure. We're up to Newby Hall for Sports Cars in the Park 2023. So I hope you enjoy the video. As you can see, it's a bit damp, it's a bit dull, it's a bit dreary and miserable, but we shall get this fired up and get on the road. Does sound good, does this V6. So the weather isn't improving, guys, it's pinning it down, but as you can see next to us, Paul's back in the car after our journey down to France. Make sure check out his channel, it's PJ Manoutdoors, because he's recently just gone up Ben Nevis. Yep,
yeah, it was good, if you're into that kind of thing anyway, but yeah.
So I'm going to try and put a link in the video, at the bottom of the video for you. But yes, the weather is not improving. It's supposed to stay dry and sunny all day.
It's not car show weather, is it? But we'll be alright,
Yeah, hope it improves.
It's quiet.
There's enough Ford Focuses there today, guys. Enough Ford Focuses. Everybody here having a bit of breakfast before we shoot off, and still they're all coming out. Car spotting, Taycan 4S, shooting brake. We've got an M2 competition. No, just an M2. Oh, a Toyota Supra.
Nice.
Megane Cup Sport, by the looks of it. And I've got McLaren. 149. Good job of getting the roof up, it is.
Come on, camera. Focus, camera. Focus. Focus, camera.
So here we are, we finally arrived at Newby Hall. We've actually got here a little bit earlier today, so the car park's only just filling up. Everybody's turning up. But yes, we've got a great spot here as we're seeing all the cars coming in. And the weather has stopped raining. Looks like the sun's just starting to try and poke out. And here's the SLK, my 350. So I cleaned it yesterday, and then it's been raining all day on the way up, so you can see it's all filthy. I've got my little cards in that I've done, and we shall see what else arrives in when there's a few more cars here. Then we'll have a good wander around, and I'll try and pick out what I think are the best of the show. Across this Aston Martin TB11 Superleggera. Well, this is the Tag Heuer limited edition, one of 50, and you got the carbon roof. Looks fabulous. I don't know whether you can see. I'll try, but you've got the carbon running up through the middle. Carbon diffusers at the bottom. And then we have one of Paul's favourite cars here. Is it? Go on, Paul. What is it? Is it?
Series 3. Series 3 pickup.
Series 3 pickup.
Probably late 70s.
Excellent condition. And then I've just noticed. I've just noticed the two-tone interior.
Oh man.
That's something else. David Brown is a fantastic. Wow. Silverstone edition. Absolutely fabulous. All right. Oh wow. That is fabulous. Wow. Next to that, we have an AMG GTS.
Where is he then? Can you see it? Where?
Really, really like these cars. Love to have the money. I pick them up from about £55,000 for a high mileage used one. Let's go and see what else. Carry on looking around, see what else we can find today. Alright, V10, but I'm just cutting through because we've got a Mustang STV Cobra. That is not something you see over here. So Alexander's are here today. So let's have a look and see what they've brought down. And guess what I can see. This looks like the DBS that Sam, off Seen Through Glass, drove in over the last month. Yes, it is. It's a beautiful colour, and this is a Q car. And the colour is really popping. But with this being a Q car, it's got a special interior that, if you look on Sam's channel, you'll be able to see. But the two-tone interior, and this is absolutely gorgeous. And the carbon top. What else? So here at Alexander's, and almost missed this car at the moment. M3 competition, but it's the Soaring Estate.
I'll shake on that.
Sorry, with the sun out, I don't know how good the interior shots are actually coming through. Lamborghini STO. Looking absolutely bonkers. But in all honesty, I much prefer the colour of this to Schmee's. I know Tim enjoys his purple and he's gone after the brighter colours, but I do think the green really pops from the grey. That looks like it's going to have fun getting out. It's sunk. So a Ford Thunderbird. I'll be honest, it's the first time I've seen one ever. But the interior looks absolutely stunning. Size of the radiator grills on these. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this walk around Newby Hall today. These have been my personal choice of what I think have been some of the best cars on show here, and I look forward to coming in next year. So thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, like the video, and I will see you for the next video down the road. Thank you. Bye bye.